Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrew and today I'm doing a full body workout. There will be 7 workouts today. Each workout we'll be doing 3 sets of 10 reps. And I think one of the workouts we're just going to be doing 3 sets of 5 reps. I think it was the bicep part. So my first workout that I started with was with the barbell deadlifts over here. I put 20 kg plates on both sides, and that bar is 20 kgs as well, so total weight of 60 kgs. So I'm just doing 3 sets of 10 reps on the deadlifts over here. As you can see, the workout video is about 12 minutes long. Today's workout, I completed the 7 workouts in 1 hour and 10 minutes. So if you minus this 12 minutes from the 1 hour 10 minutes, as I'm saying, so you're left with like about 60 minutes left. So 60 minutes divided by, there was about 21 sets of these 7 workouts that I was doing. So the rest period, the estimate rest period was between 2 to 3 minutes long before you start with a new set. So yeah, as you can see, I'm doing the deadlifts over here. I was using I don't know if it's called the reverse grip. It really helped do this workout properly, because I always the deadlifts with 2 of my hands facing at the front. So I don't know, it was a bit weird. It was the weight on the bar was a bit wobbly. It wasn't like straight, but when you do these reverse grips, you can really just pull the weight up. So for the deadlift form, I just treat it as like when I am just lifting any heavy objects from the ground, and I need to make sure my back is not curved. I know I don't have good posture, but I just try to keep my back as straight as possible, and just with the mindset of I'm lifting up a box and how I should be lifting the box and not bending my back. So that's how I do my deadlifts. So after the deadlifts, I went to do the barbell squats, also 3 sets of 10 reps, also both sides with the 20 kg plates. So we're doing some 60 kg barbell squats over here. So the reason why I start with the deadlifts is it helps to warm up the full body. You know, they say deadlifts works on a lot of muscles on your body, and also increases your heart rate. It warms you up so quick. So yeah, so after the deadlifts, and then you go hit the squats, your back is healing, and then you're working your legs. But I must say, the squats, my heart rate went up intensely from doing squats. So it's a very intense exercise, the deadlifts and the squats. So that's why I start with them first. So while my back is healing from the deadlifts, then the squatting is just burning my legs there. Guys, if you suck at squats like I did, you have to work on your back muscles. Just try to do a lot of those machine rows and lat pull downs, and then it will just strengthen that back to hold this squat bar. So yeah, and you can see when I'm squatting, I'm trying to keep my back as straight as possible, and also trying to bend way down and way up. If you can't go way down and up, then the weight is too heavy. It's I see other guys, they're putting 100 kg. So that means 2 20 kg plates on both sides, so it's 100 kgs, and then they're wrapping their knees and putting on belts. It's you're not a machine, you know. One day you're gonna injure yourself when you get old. And yeah, if you're not a machine, then keep the weight as low. You try to get strong, but you're gonna end up with injuries. So after the squats, you can see I'm doing 3 sets of barbell shoulder press. I put 10 kg. I just put 10 kg plates on both sides and just repping 10 reps each. I was going to try with the 15 kg plates, but I was just saying my shoulders are not built yet, so it takes time. You can't just because I started with these shoulder presses like last week, and I did it. I think this is my 3rd attempt now doing this workout, the 3 sets of 10. So while I'm doing these reps, it's kind of easy, but when it hits the 3rd set, it's starting to get a bit tiring. So before I hit the 15 kg plates on both sides, I must make sure I can do this workout like easily, like it just goes through very fast. So that'll take a bit of time. So after the shoulder press, I went to do the barbell rows, and then I swapped the plates. I put also 15 kg plates on both sides. I wanted to try I can do it with 20 kgs on both sides, but because of my posture, I was scared if you put too much weight, it will mess with your form when you're doing this workout. So I prefer just to put 15 kg plates on both sides. And as you can see, while I'm doing the barbell row, I make sure I bend my back more down, lean towards the base. Yeah, I think this works on the mid back. If you just bend your body just a little bit, it will work more towards the upper back. So I was just working more on my lower back and just pulling it. This workout was kind of easy. So after the barbell rows, bent over rows, went to do some shoulder lifts for bolder shoulders, the barbell, and I put 10 kg plates on both sides. So this is also 3 sets of 10 reps. So I haven't been doing this kind of workout, so this is just my first attempt. So the form wasn't that good because I couldn't feel like where am I trying to work on my body with this weight. But after you do this workout, the next time you do this, you'll become stronger. Then you'll know which muscle is being worked the most. But I think it works more on your upper shoulder. They say with doing this workout, it gives you bolder shoulders. So yeah, just implemented this into the workout today for 3 sets of 10 reps. Yeah, I think this was my 3rd set, and I was like, I could feel where I was working. So after those, I did some bicep curls. I think this was the one, 3 sets of 5 reps. So first I started off with the shoulder width bicep curls over here with the barbell. So 10 kg plates on both sides. So we're looking at 40 kg barbell curls over here. And then next, for the 2nd set, I did the wider grip. It's like when you're using these long barbells, when you do the wide grip bicep curls, it feels awesome. The shoulder width was also good. It works the biceps very good. And then now I'm doing the close grip. The close grip, you need more control. It's like if you don't have enough strength, it could damage the wrist when you're doing the close grip. So when I was doing this, I can feel it was also working my wrist. So I wouldn't do this attempt again for the close grip. I'll just keep it wide grip and shoulder width. And then my final workout, the 7th workout, I was already worn out, but then I had to complete it with the incline bench press. So the incline bench press, I hit it with I put 20 kg plates on both sides, so we are repping 60 kilos over here on the incline bench press. So this was my first set. Now hitting the second set. Remember, my rest periods was between 2 to 3 minutes, and this full workout was completed in 1 hour 10 minutes. Hope you guys give this workout a try and let me know if it was good or not. Anyways, this is a workout for obese people. I'm currently in the obese range. I'm weighing very heavy now, so at my height, so I'm a part of the obese range. My goal is to reach 80 kilograms or 75 kilograms, and that will be the normal weight for my height. I was there before, but after COVID I just gained like 10 kg, so I'm back to like 90 something kilograms, and I'm not proud of that. I need to lose weight. So after these workouts, I went to the treadmill to run for 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm implementing that. And while I was doing that 20 minutes, wow, I was already worn out. So I came back home, just took a 20 gram optimum nutrition whey protein, and that was it. Thanks guys for watching.